Google recently rolled out a feature for its messaging app wherein if you have Android messages installed on your Android smartphone, and it can be any Android phone and not just a Pixel, then you will be able to send and receive SMS messages on any browser, be it a computer or even a tablet. So let's get started as we tell you how to use Android messages on the web. Go to the Play Store and download the Android Messages app. While your app is installing, just open the browser on your system and type in messages.android.com. Next, on your phone, open Messages and tap on the three-dot icon on the top right and select Messages for Web. Now using your phone, scan the QR code that appears on the screen and you are good to go. With this, you can now send and receive SMS messages directly from your computer. As mentioned earlier in the start, this process can be done on any browser and not only through a computer but also through a tablet. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.